In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Monopoly Go not updating. If your game isn't picking up the latest version, start by forcing a manual update. Open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Monopoly Go, and look at the button next to the app. If it says update, tap it and let the download finish before opening the game again. If you only see open, the store might not have the rollout for your region yet. That can take up to 24 hours. Try pulling down to refresh the store page and make sure you're signed in to the same store account you installed the game with. On some devices, updates queue behind other downloads. Open the Updates or Manage tab in your store to check the queue and let any pending items complete. Staying on that screen for a minute can also trigger the store to refresh its list. If the store still won't show an update, clear the app's cache. Press and hold the Monopoly Go icon, go to App Info or App Details, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This deletes temporary files that can block updates without touching your save progress. If the app keeps misbehaving, you can choose Clear Data, but only do this if you know your login details, because it resets the app and you'll need to sign in again to restore your progress. Next, perform a quick device and app check. Restart your phone or tablet to clear minor glitches. Confirm you have enough free storage for the update. Leaving extra space helps the download and installation complete smoothly. Close other apps running in the background to free up memory. Finally, check your internet connection. A stable Wi-Fi network is best. If you're on mobile data, make sure data saving modes aren't blocking downloads. If speeds are inconsistent, briefly toggle airplane mode on and off or switch networks and try again. While the update is downloading, keep your screen on and plug into power so the device doesn't pause large downloads in the background. If nothing else works, reinstall the app as a last resort. Uninstall Monopoly Go from your device, head back to your app store, and install it fresh. Once installed, open the game and log back into your account so your progress syncs. Before you remove the app, double check that your game is linked to an account to avoid losing any data. That's it. Follow these steps in order, and in most cases, you'll either get the update right away or be ready as soon as it becomes available in your region. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting back to your boards.